come with me to York. Yay! This is the sea salt fudge from Fudge Kitchen. Little taste test.
It's so creamy.
One nice big bite, Sunny.
Oh, that is genuinely melting in my mouth.
It's melting in the mouth.
I love Winnie Pooh.
I made the grave mistake of letting Fiona and Sarah into this shop. Oh no. Oh dear.
Right, it's our dream if we get that hat on.
We've just found some Yorkshire puds. I think roast pork and ham. Come on. Definitely gonna smash me some Yorkshire pud.
Actually brilliant.
That's so good.
Properly good. Like that.
Tastes like a blueberry muffin in tea form. How is the great?
How I feel.
Slow-mo guy.